These traffic police reclaim only the vehicles belong to the locals. So and regarding the Assam vehicles and the private, they don't claim. So what do you have to say on this?
See, regarding this, I would just give the clarifications because this thing has not come to the notice. Okay, sometimes it all happens that the police personnel are not present there. Once you have already claimed the vehicle, the police personnel he left there. So another vehicle he comes and after then he parked there, which goes unnoticed. So these kinds of the situation definitely they start parking in different nook and corners of the city. And the most important part, which I would say that it is being mediated by the middleman, so-called the dalals. So these people, they arrange the parking of those vehicles at different locations which are restricted area and where the parking is prohibited. As you know that the traffic congestions is more in Shillong city, and in order to provide the space for everyone, we have to regulate the laws and we have to enforce the laws. And as the same the traffic police they are doing, they are not making any discriminations.